Who can do it? Come on, you haven't been out there long. You couldn't have been out there long. Come on. I know you're still alive. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, dude. Yeah, you coming. You coming. Come on. You're getting there. Come on. Come on. Who can do it? Come on. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on, baby. Go. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Yeah, you can do it. Come on. Yeah, you can do it. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on, dude. Come on, you can do it. Come on, man. I don't know when the camera cut off. I think this has been about 20 minutes. You can tell his neck's sore on either side because if I touch right there, he does not like it. But he's coming around. He's getting there. Still not a lot of resistance on his legs. But he will move them around now. He'll move his front paws. It's still real cold up under his arms. Come on, dude. But you can see him kicking up his back leg every now and then. He's moving his head around. No, he's not trying to bite me. Not yet, anyway. I'm sure that will come. Come on, dude. Come on. Dude, come on, man. You got it. You can do this. You got it. You can do this. Come on. He was so cold. Since putting him by the fire, he has really, really come back around. And he's flexing his hands. Oh, that's new. Yeah, good job. Good job. Come on. Come on. You got it. Come on, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, there you go. There you go. You just stretching out for a nap or what? Hmm? Hmm? Oh, Lord, I don't know if he's going. I don't know if he's got brain damage. I don't know what. I don't know. I think he was, if I had to guess, he was hanging there for maybe 5 minutes before I realized it, before I saw him. Two of them were out there, two young ones, just, same guy like this, out there playing, running around, jumping off, chasing each other off the feeder and all that stuff. I just refilled it. Hmm? I have a feeling I'm going to have to put you outside here pretty soon there, dude. Yeah. Come on. Come on, dude. Come on. Before I put you out, I want to make sure you're really coming around well. You're nice and dry. You're warm. It's like trying to get the heart going. That's not good. He's chewing on his. That means possible brain damage. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. I don't think he's gonna make it. I think he's got a little bit of brain damage. I got him wrapped up in warm washcloths. Got a towel now hanging in front of the fireplace, getting all nice and warm. I don't know if he's gonna make it, but I'm not ready to give up on him yet. Come on, Rocky, you can do it, baby. Come on, Rocky. He's getting there. Come on, baby. Yeah, you're getting there. Chest compression, chest rub seems to help out the most. Gotta get your toes caught in there. Come on, baby, you can do it. Come on. Yeah, you can do it. I think at number one, he got extremely cold. Yeah. Yeah. You're getting there, aren't you? You are. You're getting there. Hey, little Rocky. Come on, Rocky. You can do it, baby. You can do it, Rocky. Come on, baby. You can do it. You can do it. Hey, little Rocky. Come on, Rocky. You can do it, baby. You can do it, Rocky. Come on, baby. You can do it. You can do it.
He's making it.